Hello dear friends, welcome back to my page or channel. I'm Elena Rugal, and today you will see how to crochet delicate and interesting branch lace pattern. I love complex stitches, so this branch consists of complex stitches. So let's look at this side. This pattern can be perfect to create edge, trim, or to create jewelry such as bracelet, necklace or belt or headband. In this video I'm using crochet hook 1.4 millimeters and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. Also there is chart for this pattern. Let's crochet the trim edge. I will begin from the foundation chain. I'm going to work with foundation row, so you should crochet as many chains as you need. Pattern consists of 14 stitches, so I'm going to repeat pattern twice. So in my case I'm using 28 stitches and plus one chain for more beautiful look. And make a chain of 29 for my pattern. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. In total it should be 29 chains. Here how my chart pattern looks like. And I continue. My foundation chain is ready. Row 1. It is going to be foundation row. My pattern consists of 14 stitches plus 1 stitch for more beautiful look. I'm going to work with pattern twice, so in row it should be 29 stitches. Make chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook and make double crochet. Like this. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. My row is ready. Let's crochet row of complex stitches. Make a chain. Then I turn the work. Then chain of 3 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Then I'm going to work with complex stitch. Make yarn over the hook 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hold all loops with my finger. I skip this stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the 7th stitch. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Then yarn over the hook 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now insert the hook into the pair of horizontal strands. Let's count from the bottom. 1, 2. I insert the hook into the 2nd pair of horizontal strands. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Then yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the same pair of horizontal strands. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Here what we have. I have 5 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. My first leaf is ready. Then I'm going to work with next two. Then chain of 3, insert the hook into 2 loops, make a slip stitch. My picot is ready. Then make a chain of 11 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My chain space is ready. Yarn over the hook 7 times. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hold all loops with my finger, and now I insert the hook into the same pair of horizontal strands that I work it into, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 7 times. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work with first pair of horizontal strands. I will count from the bottom. I insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Then yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the same pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Then yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the same pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook twice, work with the same pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, and insert the hook into the same pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Here what we have, I have got 7 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The second leaf is ready. Then chain 3 for the picot, work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the complex stitch. I stop at this point and we look. I have got 2 leaves and I need to crochet 1 more leaf for my branch or a complex stitch. Now I am working with the second half. It is going to be delicate pattern, and I continue working on my pattern. Make a chain of 11. I put in this way, make a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then yarn over the hook 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the second pair of horizontal strands that I worked into before. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yarn over the hook 3 times, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Then yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. And yarn over, make double crochet, not finish, into the same pair. Pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain of 3 and make a slip stitch into 2 loops. Then chain of 3. Let's complete my complex stitch or edging. From this point I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the hook into the 7th stitch, make single crochet. My complex stitch is ready. Here how it looks. My adorable branch that consists of 3 leaves. I straight up my stitches. It can be perfect for edging, earring, pendant, or like a bracelet, necklace. Let's look at the back side. And it is front. So it is very interesting edging. You don't need special skills for this project. I have done my pattern twice. In your case it can be more or less complex stitches. To complete my row, I skip stitches. I will count from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row. Make single crochet and my row is done. I straight up my edging. I remind you, my row consists of 29 stitches. 28 of them are for main pattern plus 1 stitch for more beautiful look. Let's look at this side. I have got 2 adorable and natural branches, and today you will see how to make adorable edging or pattern for necklace, bracelet or belt. Also it can be perfect to choker. My second example consists of 3 such complex stitches that look like branches. Also there is a chart for this pattern. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. It was Elena Rugal. Thank you so much for watching, and please write comment below the video what you will get and where you can use it. Good luck in crafting. See you in the next videos. Bye!